Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the drain tube extension in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. To move the refrigerator away from the wall, raise both front leveling legs. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread all of the screws to release the lower rear access panel. If still intact, pull the old drain tube extension off of the drain pan mounting peg and detach it from the drain tube. Install the new drain tube extension by attaching the end with the flange to the drain tube and the opposite end to the drain pan mounting peg. Reinstall the access panel. Push the refrigerator back against the wall and lower the front leveling legs. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.